Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to share your screen on Discord on a PC or laptop. And if this video does help you out, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, I'll be using the web-based application of Discord today, but you can do this on the app as well. So it's all down to personal preference, but the steps are the same whichever you choose to use. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually come and log into your Discord account. And it's actually very simple to do this. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you've actually got a server set up for yourself. And what you then want to do is actually set up a voice channel. And then from there, what you're going to want to do when you're ready to share your screen, you just want to put a notice out in your text channel if you want to, just informing people that you're going to be sharing your screen. And then from there, what you would do is join the appropriate voice channel. So I'm just going to join this one as an example. And to share your screen, it's actually very simple. Once you've joined the voice channel, you'll see down at the bottom, you've got a button here, which says screen. So if you go and give that a click, and you'll see what's going to happen. It's going to give you some options. So you can choose to share your entire screen. You can share it as like a window. Or you can share a Chrome tab. So the best one to go for is entire screen. And what you want to do is just make sure the box is ticked down here, which says share system audio. And then once that's done, you just need to click onto the screen here. And then click the blue share button down here. And you'll see what's going to happen. It's going to pop up in the corner with a little window. And basically, I'm going to get a live symbol next to my name. So this is just to show that I'm sharing my screen. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful. And if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give it a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.